Okay, guys. So, hey, stop for a second. So, a lot of you are asking about the done for you services, where I, Wesley Virgin, would do it for you. Okay, and let me explain something here. Okay, pay attention. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly what that process looks like, because I'm getting DMs, I'm getting messages, and people are asking me, Wesley, what do you mean you're going to do it for me? Explain that process. So, if you pay attention, I'm going to show you. I'm rich. Yes, who cares about that? Let me show you what I'm doing and what I'm going to do for you. Now listen, if you're a newbie, you want to hear this and see this. If you're a person that's been online and you haven't made any money, no breakthroughs, trust me, I know the pain. You want to hear this right now, okay? Now, if you're already balling out of control, you got your Rolls Royce, you got your Lamborghini, you got your fancy house, you're traveling the world, this is not for you. This is for new people. My purpose, listen, my purpose is to help people who don't understand how to create wealth. This is my purpose for living. Now understand this, my purpose goes beyond my parents, my children, any woman I would ever date. My purpose is first. And my purpose is to help you win, because I made a commitment to myself 6 years ago that I would dedicate my life to learn how to influence people and get them making as much money as humanly possible, okay? That's it, then I can die. It needs 1 million people, all right? You ready? Look at this. Now, pay attention here. Okay, this is just explaining my done-for-you services. A lot of you are asking about, Wesley, how you can do it for me. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you where you can contact me or my director, Ariella, and I'll help you. Okay, now look at this. This is real life. This is no bullshit, so I'm showing you. This is a Facebook account, okay? Because I believe you gotta show a person the goods first, right? Before they believe you. You see that right there? That's $1,000 I've spent today. This is today, look. You see that? It's Saturday, 1:09. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. Before I get ready to go to the gym, I wanna show you this. I spent $1,000 on a Facebook ad campaign, okay? Now understand this, I send traffic to my website and I make money. So the question is, well, Wesley, since you spent $1,000, listen here, how much money did you make? Look. Look at that, today, $5,000, okay, and $269. And guess what? I haven't even had breakfast yet. And I haven't even brushed my teeth. I'm lying, I did brush my teeth. You see that? That's my account, Wesley Virgin. This is Stripe. This is the payment processor. This money goes into my bank account. $5,000. Listen, this is what I'm gonna do for you. I'm gonna show you how to do this. I'm probably the only marketer that is doing this. Look at this, that's $1,000. Look, pay attention. I spent $1,000, okay? And I made $5,000. So what I wanna do, I want to do that for you. Okay, I have what is called a platinum service. Now understand what I'm going to do. You might say, well, Wesley, I still don't get it. All right, you're making money, but how? Listen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the funnel for you. I'm going to create the website for you. I'm going to create the traffic for you. I'm going to do the Facebook ads for you. I'm going to do the asset from you. I'm going to do the Aweber account for you. I'm going to do everything for you to get that first sale. If you go to my Instagram right now, you'll see a guy. We have almost 5 people per week are popping their first sale cherry, okay? They popping that cherry, baby. Why? Because I understand this. Let me tell you why this is so important. When I was at my lowest, okay? And when I was going through the process of trying to make money, especially on the internet, the best moment of my life wasn't when I made $1 million. It's when I made $7 when I was on that air mattress. I will never forget this day. Listen, I was on an air mattress, all right? It was from Walmart. And I woke up and I made $7 in my sleep. And you know what that did? That told me one thing, that this internet business, this online business, this mindset stuff was real, because I was visualizing every day that I was making sales, every second of the day, even though I was making no money, nothing was working. But I swear to God, I was visualizing and I was creating that success, and I was being grateful for the success to come. Now, man, I make sales every minute, every second sometimes. So what? It's easy. But when I made that first sale, that increased my belief. And I want to do it for you. I want to do everything for you, okay? It's the platinum program, okay? It's the platinum program. And I'm not going to charge you $10,000. As a matter of fact, Russell Brunson, the owner of ClickFunnels, he charged $750,000 to do this. I want people to win. Look at me. This is from my heart, man. You know what? I'm always going to be rich. That's just how it is, all right? I'm destined to be super rich, whatever. But what fulfills me is other people saying, you know what? I watched the video. It was this cool black guy. He was a little crazy, a little insane. But now by listening to him and just taking action, now I'm making $5,000, $10,000, $50,000 a month. I made my first sale. I have people that are recording videos and sending to my email in tears and say, Wesley, I'm from Jamaica, I'm from Africa, I'm from Europe, I'm from this poor town somewhere I don't even know that exists. And they said, I made my first sale online. Because I understand this, and I'm gonna let you go. Once I help you increase your belief that it's possible, that you can make money on autopilot, I'm talking about $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 a day. If I can show you one sale, then guess what? You can make two. Then you can make three. Everybody that wants that platinum program, all I want you to do is this. Even if you're on Facebook right now, you're on YouTube right now, I want you to comment the words, I want platinum. I'm not going to charge you $10,000, not even $5,000, not even $1,000. I'm going to give you access to this entire system that I'm going to create. Me and my team, we're doing it. We're duplicating what I'm currently doing. And let me share something. I'm not going to do this for long. It's going to be under $1,000. Once you hear the price, your mouth is going to drop to the floor because it's crazy. Internet marketers don't want me to do this. They don't. But guess what? I'm going to do it. So what? Because I'm an outlier. Just comment the words, I want platinum. I want platinum. If you're on YouTube, I'm gonna leave a link below. You review it, you click the buy button, you get it. My team is gonna contact you within 24 hours. If they don't, contact me immediately right here in my DM. Okay? Just put I want platinum here. I'm gonna put the link below on Facebook. I'm gonna put the link below on YouTube. And all you have to do is trust me. Understand this. Now, this is not for everybody. I know some people that's watching me right now, you're still negative, you're still skeptical because you had somebody that screwed you over. Listen to me close. In life, people, it's always going to be somebody that's going to screw you over. It's always going to be somebody that's going to scam you. This is how life is. Somebody's going to break up with you. Someone's going to lie to you. Somebody's going to cheat on you. Somebody's going to take advantage of you. But remember, the true successors, they keep going. They persevere. They don't live life in the past. If I think about all the bad shit that happened to me, if I think about the repos, if I think about the bankruptcy, if I think about all the hundreds of thousands of dollars that I spent and people took my money, I wouldn't be the man that I am today. What I'm telling you, you must persevere regardless. When you see something and hear something and you can feel it, if you feel that the person is genuine, if you feel that the person is telling you the truth, just do it. Then assess the damages later. Because guess what? What you see in may change your life. Because it changed my life. Somebody changed my life, so I want to change yours. All you have to do is comment, I want platinum. I'm going to leave a link below for you to click. Buy it. Just get it. Pull out your credit card and get it done. Don't be like most people and like, oh, I don't know. Well, I need a guarantee. Well, I don't. Don't be like that. Let me share something with you. You know what? I can say, hey, 30-day guarantee, 60-day guarantee. But listen, millionaires, rich people, we don't think like that. I don't need a guarantee. I create it. I create my guarantees for everything in my life. For my body, my health, my relationships, my money. I create the guarantee. I don't need a 30-day guarantee. I don't need a 90-day guarantee. I don't need that shit. I need to create it for myself. So what I'm telling you, create the guarantee for yourself. Yes, I'm going to help you make a bunch of money. Trust me, once you take action right now, just put I want platinum right now. And I'm gonna leave a link below. If you can't see it on Instagram, don't worry. Reach out to Ariella or reach out on my last post and I'm gonna help you. Hey, much love. I gotta go. Go ahead and click or type the words I want platinum. Don't think, just do. I want platinum. If not, leave. Leave this video. Don't like, don't share. I love you, but get the hell out of here. I'm looking for the people that are lions, baby. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 billion version. Let's go.